Hello guys! Good morning! Kakagising ko lang and super excited ako kasi finally natanggap ko na ang new release ng Hello Glow Acne Defense Set. Alam ko, familiar na tayo sa Acne Defense Set pero ito, bagong packaging at may updated ingredients. This time, Willowherb Extract na ang main ingredients niya instead of tea tree. Which means, mas gentle sa skin pero same acne fighting power. Kasama rin sa routine ko today ang iba pang mga Hello Glow favorites ko para makatulong sa acne, oil control, hydration, at overall skin health. So, ano nga ba ang difference nito sa old version? Of course, yung Willowherb Extract, alam niyo naman na powerful anti-inflammatory ingredients ito that can help calm acne, redness, at irritation without drying out the skin. It also have niacinamide and salicylic acid na alam nyo namang nakakatulong to oil control, brighten dark spots, and of course, remove dead skin cells. Same pa rin ang 3-in-1 system niya. Cleanser, alam niyo naman, to remove dirt, excess oil, and impurities without stripping the skin. Tapos yung toner, help balance skin, minimize pore, and control oil production. And for spot cream, it dry out pimple fast without reducing redness and swelling. How to use. Step 1 is the cleanser. So, you just have to wet your face, apply a small amount, then massage in circular motion. Rinse well and pat dry. This steps your skin by removing dirt or oil and impurities while keeping it hydrated. Step 2, toner. Soak a toner pad and gently swipe all over your face for an extra cleanse. It helps refine pores and make sure your skin is prepped for the next step. Step 3 is the spot cream. I-apply lang sa mga red pimples or breakouts. And since medyo watery ang bagong formula, pwede rin siyang spread sa buong face para prevented and acne clear. For extra skincare step, I use this aloe vera with tea tree serum soothing gel. These serve as my moisturizer. Sobrang lightweight, hindi sticky, pwede sa body for hydration. Plus, alam niyo namang tea tree can help acne prevention with aloe vera that keeps skin smooth and fresh. Then I follow with a lip balm with SPF. Alam niyo ba na kailangan din protektahan ng lips from UV rays? Hindi lang skin, dapat may sunscreen, lips din. This balm is hydrating, lightweight, and has SPF to prevent dryness and darkening. And then, I used Lash and Brow Serum. Matagal ko nang gamit to and proven talaga na makakatulong sa mabilis na pag-grow ng lashes at kilay. May castor oil at biotin which is known to strengthen and nourish hair follicles. And then lastly, I used this 3-in-1 Lightweight Gel Sunscreen. Sobrang gaan sa skin, hindi malagkit at perfect for daily use, lalo na pag on the go ka. Formulated with hyaluronic acid for hydration, SPF for sun protection, and vitamin E for skin prep. After using all the skincare from Hello Glow, here's what I noticed. First is less na yung redness and irritation, hindi na sobrang inflame ang pimples. And then, my skin feels fresh and non-greasy kahit whole day. The spot cream really works overnight. Super mild ng formula, walang irritation or stinging feeling. Thanks to the extra soothing gel and sunscreen. Super happy ako sa updated formula ng Hello Glow, especially this acne defense set, at excited akong makita ang long-term results sa skin ko. Gusto mo rin i-try? Available siya sa aking Ikeria shop, Lazada, Shopee, at TikTok shop. Comment below if you tried this new version and share your experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.